Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you steps to recover a suspended YouTube channel. So, your YouTuber channel can be suspended if you consistently break these terms of service or community rules, but there are further reasons stated for suspension, and they will be very specific to that when they send you this message. So you will be notified, okay, if your account has been suspended. So what you're going to do here if you receive this is you just have to click this submit a form. Now, if you don't receive this on your email address, you can go to your Google account or YouTube. When you try to access or when you try to open your YouTube, probably you will see this notification and able to access a Google product. So that means you are not allowed to open your YouTube account. So if you receive this, you should see that contact us, and all you have to do is to tap that. Well, if you can see it right here, you can go to the search icon and then type contact us. And then after that, you have to press enter. Then you should see this contact us right here. All you have to do is to fill out the form. So this is what it looks like. So you have to enter the information needed, such as your email address you use to sign in to Google account, or obviously to your YouTube account, email address that they can contact you in case that this account is not working, and then briefly explain why you think your access was suspended in error. And in case that you don't know where to find your or that information, you can go to your email, tap your profile, click manage your account, go to data and privacy, scroll down here till you see this delete Google services. Okay, tap this one, the second one. And then after that, you have to click YouTube, tap this delete icon, trash bin icon right here, then you will see your Google account. So this one is also the Google account you use on your YouTube. So you can copy this and then paste it to that form. After that, what you're going to do is you have to press submit and then wait for their final judgment to that. So they will review your account again in case you did not violate any rules and community guidelines. Then they will recover or they will give you back your suspended YouTube channel. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.